All right, drink we're about to make is called Flaming Dr. Pepper Alternative. All right, what we need now is some beer, and we have amaretto and 151. First thing we'll do is put about 6 ounces of beer into a glass here. And we're going to take a shot glass. We're going to fill it halfway with amaretto and half with 151. The shot on fire, okay? Let that sit to the side. Maybe get some friends to gather around while you take the shot. And with your flaming shot, you're going to go ahead and drop it into the beer. And as soon as it hits the bottom of the beer, you got to chug it down. And obviously the beer will put the flame out, so you don't have to worry about burning your face off. So drop it in, and bottoms up.